From tropical jungles to luxury fashion houses, this is the complete journey of exotic snake leather. Watch as raw python skin transforms into a premium handbag worth thousands of dollars. Chrome tanning is the most critical step. Python skins tumble in rotating drums with chromium salts for 12 to 18 hours. This chemical transformation converts perishable skin into durable leather that lasts decades. Each luxury piece requires extraordinary precision. Master craftsmen cut patterns by hand, ensuring every scale aligns perfectly. A single mistake on exotic leather cannot be undone. There are no second chances. Every handbag undergoes rigorous quality inspection. Craftsmen check hundreds of details: stitching tension, hardware security, scale pattern consistency. Only products meeting strict standards receive approval. From jungle to showroom, this entire journey combines centuries-old techniques with modern precision, creating timeless luxury that tells a story.